Suppose the angle theta is in the standard position with the initial side is the positive horizontal axis and the terminal sides opened up from the positive horizontal x-axis. Suppose also that there are 2 points on the terminal sides, P with the coordinate x, y, and P prime with the coordinate x prime, y prime. X prime and x are not the same, y prime and y are not the same. We're going to write the trigonometric ratios using the smaller triangle O, P, Q and the larger right triangle O, P prime, Q prime. Using the smaller triangle, sine of theta is PQ opposite over the hypotenuse OP. Cosine of theta is OP adjacent over the hypotenuse OP. Tangent of theta is the opposite over adjacent. Cosecant of theta is therefore OP over Y. Secant of theta is OP over X. And cotangent of theta is the reciprocal of tangent of theta, which is X over Y. Using the laws of right triangle, sine of theta is y prime over OP prime. Cosine of theta is adjacent x prime over OP prime. Tangent of theta is y prime over x prime. Cosecant of theta is the reciprocal of sine of theta, which is OP prime over y prime. Secant of theta is the reciprocal of cosine of theta, which is OP prime over x prime. And cotangent of theta is the reciprocal of tangent of theta, which is x prime over y prime. The trigonometric ratios are independent of the choice of P or P prime because the smaller right triangle OPQ and the larger right triangle OP prime Q prime are what we call similar triangles. And if the two triangles are similars, then their ratios are equivalent. So y over OP is the same as y prime over OP prime. And so sine using the smaller right triangle is the same as sine of theta using the larger right triangle, meaning it doesn't matter which p we use. Sine of theta is independent of the choice of p or p prime, where p and p primes are any two arbitrary points on the terminal sides. Similarly, the ratio x over OP is equal to x prime over OP prime, showing that cosine of theta is the same. Tangent of theta is the same because the ratio y over x is the same as y prime over x prime. And therefore, their reciprocals are the same as well. This shows that the six trigonometric ratios are independent of the choices of P and P prime because of the similar right triangles.